Good morning students. Today we will discuss the remaining question of chapter 9, that is applications of trigonometry class 10th. In the previous video we discussed 5 questions. In question number 6 the statement is a 1.5 meter tall boy is standing at some distance from a 30-meter tall building. The angle of elevation from his eyes to the top of the building increases from 30 degree to 60 degree as he walks towards the building. Find the distance he walked towards the building. In solution, first of all we draw figure. This is boy, this is building. AB is boy whose height is 1.5 meter and CD is a building whose height is 30 meter. First of all we draw the angle of elevation of the top of his eyes. This is angle of elevation from top of his eye to the top of building. This is point D and this is A. When he walks towards the building, this is angle of elevation 30 degree. When he walks at this distance D, this is E, the angle of elevation increases. As we seen in the diagram, when we move towards the building, angle of elevation always increases. We are required to find this distance x. Let us suppose this distance is equal to y. As we know, this AB equal to DE. So DE equal to AB equal to 1.5 meter. In this diagram, DC is equal to 30 meter. When we find CE, then CE is DC minus DE, which is equal to 30 minus 1.5, which is 28.5. This means this distance is 28.5. First of all, we consider triangle CED, in which CE is the perpendicular, DE is the base. As we know, perpendicular over base is tan. CE is 28.5, DE is y, tan 60 is root 3. In this we find value of y. This is the value of y. In triangle ACE, CE, that is perpendicular upon base, equal to tan 30. This is 28.5. AE is x plus y. Tan 30 is 1 upon under root 3. When we cross multiply this is x plus y. Put value of y. Value of y is 28.5 divided by root 3. This becomes under root 3 minus 28.5 upon root 3 equal to x. When we take this common, this becomes 1 upon under root 3. Take LCM of this, that is 3 minus 1 upon root 3. This becomes 28.5 into 2 upon under root 3. When we rationalize this, we get this becomes 27 root 3 upon 3, that is 19. X is equal to 19 under root 3 meter. This is the distance he walked towards the building. This is the solution of question number 6. In question number 7, the statement is from a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the bottom and the top of a transmission tower fixed at the top of a 20-meter high building are 45 and 60. Find the height of tower. In this, this is tower, this is building. AB is building. This is the tower. This is the tower. AB, this is A. This is tower C. This is the point on the ground. According to statement, the angle of elevation of the bottom and top. This is the bottom of the tower. This is the top of the tower. This means this angle is 45 and this is 60 degree. We require to find the height of the tower. Let this height be h and we are given height of building is 20. First of all, in triangle ABD, AB upon BD is equal to tan 45 degree. AB is 20, BD is required, tan 45 is 1. So BD equal to 20 meter. In triangle CBD, CB upon BD equal to tan 60. This is h plus 20, BD is 20, tan 60 is under root 3. So h is 20 root 3, h plus 20 is 20 root 3, then h is 20 root 3 means 20. Take this common. Value of root 3 is 1.73. This is 0.20 into 0.73. When we multiply this, we get 14.6 meter. So the height of the tower is 14.6 meter. This is the solution of question number 7. In question number 8, the statement is a statue 1.6 meter tall stand on a top of a pedestal. This is pedestal. This is pedestal. In its top there is a statue. AB is the statue, BC is the pedestal. Height of statue is 1.6 meter. And from a point on the ground, the angle of elevation top of statue. This is the top of statue. This is the top of the pedestal. The angle of elevation is top of statue is 60 and the angle of elevation of the pedestal is 45. This is 45. This is 60 degree. We are required to find the height of the pedestal. So first we consider in triangle BCD. BC is the perpendicular, CD is the base. This becomes tan 45. This is H. This is CD. Tan 45 is 1. So H is equal to CD. In triangle ACD, AC is the perpendicular, CD is the base. This is equal to tan 60. This is 1.6 plus H. CD is H. Tan 60 is under root 3 plus H is equal to under root 3H. 1.6 is equal to under root 3H means H. H is common. This is under root 3 means 1. So H is 1.6 upon under root 3 means 1. When we rationalize this, we get 1.6 into root 3. This is the identity. A means B, A plus B. So A square means B square. H is 1.6 into root 3 plus 1 on 2. This cancel out. So the answer is 0.8 under root 3 plus 1 meter. This is the solution of question number 8. There are another 3 questions, 9th, 10th and 11th. In question number 9, the angle of elevation of the top of a building from the foot of tower is 30 degree and the angle of elevation of the top of a tower from the foot of building 60. If the tower is 50 meter high, find the height of building. In this question, we have given a building and top of a building and foot of tower. This means we have 2 figures. This is one, this is another. First of all, in this figure we find whether this is tower or this is a building. For this, we note the angle of elevation. This means greater angle. This is 30 degree, this is 60 degree. This means the angle of elevation of top of tower from the foot of building is 60 degree. This means tower is bigger height as compared to building. This is building, height of building is required. So the angle of elevation of top of building from the foot of tower. This is top of building, this is foot of tower. This angle of elevation is 30 degree. This is the top of tower, this is the bottom of the building. Angle of elevation is 30 degree. We require to find the height of the building. For this, first of all, this angle is 30 degree, this is 60 degree. In triangle ABD, AB is perpendicular, BD is base. Perpendicular over base, this is equal to tan of 60 degree. AB is 50, BD is required, tan 60 is under root 3. So BD is equal to 50 upon under root 3 meter. In the second triangle, that is CDB, CD is the perpendicular, BD is the base, equal to tan 30. CD is H, BD is 50 under root 3, equal to tan 30 is 1 upon root 3. When we cross multiply this becomes 3H equal to 50. So H is equal to 50 upon 3 meter. This is the height of the building. In question number 10, the statement is two poles of equal height standing opposite to each other. This is one of the pole, this is the second pole, AB, CD. Both having equal height. This is H, this is also H. These standing on the opposite side of a road. The road is 80 meter wide. This distance is 80 meter wide. And from a point between them, the angle of elevation of the top of pole. This means this is point. We take point here because this angle is 60 degree greater as compared to this angle is 30 degree. If we take this distance is equal to x, then this is 80 means x. First of all, in triangle ABE, in which AB is perpendicular, BE is base. Perpendicular over base is tan 60. H upon x is under root 3, so H is under root 3x. In triangle CDE, CD is the perpendicular, DE is the base, which is equal to tan 30. H, this is 80 means x, tan 30 is 1 upon under root 3. When we cross multiply this, put value of H, which is under root 3x, 80 means x. When we multiply this, 4x equal to 80, x is equal to 20. When we put the value of x in H, H is 20 under root 3 meters. So the height of each pole is 20 root 3, and this is the distance 20, and this is 60. This is the solution of question number 10. In question number 11, figure is given. Question is, a TV tower, this is TV tower, stands vertically on the bank of a canal from a point on the other bank directly opposite to the tower. The angle of elevation of top of tower is 60 degree. This is 60 degree. From the another bank, another point 20 meter away, this is 20 meter. The angle of elevation is 30 degree. Find the height of tower. This means we have required to find this. and also the width of the canal. So for solution of question number 11, first consider in triangle ABC, AB is perpendicular, BC is base. So perpendicular over base is tan 60. This is H, BC is X. Tan 60 is under root 3. So H is equal to under root 3x. In second triangle ABD, AB is perpendicular, BD is base. This is equal to tan 30. AB is H. This is 20 plus X. Tan 30 is 1 upon under root 3. When we cross multiply this and putting the value of H, that's root 3x, 20 plus X, 3x is equal to 20 plus X, 2x is equal to 20, x is equal to 10, and height is under root 3 into 10, that is 10 under root 3. This means height of tower is 10 root 3 meter and the width of the canal is 10 meter. This is the solution of question number 11. In all these 11 questions, that is previous in the 5 in the previous video and 6 in this video, if you have any problem, then contact me personally on my number 9592886608. That is 9592886608. This is my contact number. If you have any problem, personally contact me on this number at any time. Thanks.